Hi, I'm Simran Das. I belong from Northeast Assam, Guwahati, and I'm studying history as my major in RJ Vidyapith College under Guwahati University. My journey here in Dambos have been a great experience. Like, I never expected that I would be doing an internship with the passion that I follow, which is reading books, writing blogs, doing book reviews, and ultimately I got an opportunity to do follow my passion through Dambos, and for which I'm really thankful. And my journey for like 1 month that I have experienced in here, it was incredible. Like, even if I was super stressed, I won't lie, I have already expressed my stressness to the seniors, the co-founder Ashi ma'am, Krati ma'am. I have already mentioned my stress to them, and they were kind enough to help me all through my bad days. And I think it was incredible working for them for like this 1 month, and I have learned a lot. I have experienced, like, I have gained experienced a lot, I would say. As for independence, I was given a lot of time to think and do whatever I wanted to do. Like, firstly I was given task according, like, every day I was given task, and then gradually I had my exams coming up, and there were a lot of tasks I was also doing side by side. So I had a lot of stress in me, and hence I talked to the seniors and talked to Ma'am Krati and Ashi ma'am, and they were so kind. They gave me, I think, 2 or 3 days of a break, so that I can, get relieved of my stress. And then they said me that they'll be allotting me only with the task that I am good at. Like, firstly they were also giving me task of marketing and all, which I was not good at. So they asked me if I'm really good at it. I was like, no, I did not lie to them, of course. And they said me, it's okay, you are good at this particular thing. If you're good at writing, or if you're good at reviewing books, then you are only going to do that. So soon after that, like, after I confessed to them that I'm very stressed, and I'm not being able to cope up with them, they were very kind enough to say me that, you just take some time, take some rest, don't stress yourself, because you are not here to get stressed. This is a relief booster, like, this is a booster that will boost your stress out. And hence I could manage a lot of time for them and for this internship. And I think they were kind enough to give me a lot of freedom as per my experience, I would say. Like, I had been given a lot of freedom whenever they asked me to do a task. Even if I said, okay, I could not, or there would be some problem for me to do it today, can I submit it tomorrow or tomorrow evening, they had never denied that, no, you have to do it today. They have always been like, okay, whenever it's possible, just submit it by tomorrow. No pressure, no pressure. They have never given me any pressure. About the supervision thing, absolutely. At the very first day when I was given a task to write a blog, I don't know how much I could write it, like how better I could write it. Of course, I did not write it well. There were a lot of problems, and then they gave me a lot of references. And every time I was allotted with some task to do, like a write a blog or write a review or anything, they always gave me a reference in the first hand that, just follow these steps, or just look at the reference, and then you will get the exact idea of what we want from you. So that helped me a lot. So the supervision from Krati ma'am and from Ashi ma'am has been a really incredible one, because I think that is what exactly we want. Supervision has to be really good, and I have found that this field, this Dambos internship, has given me a lot of good people to meet with, and they have always supported me, firstly, and they have always taught me if I was wrong. Of course, I was wrong all the time, but they have taught me what is right. They have taught me that not this, but this. They have also appreciated my task. They have always supported me. So, supervision was at point, because obviously you are not born with perfection, but you can create your own perfection, and they have molded me in a very perfect way. Even if I'm not 100% good now, maybe I think 10% of it. So yeah, I'm so glad that I joined this internship with all the good supervisors here. I have learned a lot of things. The best part of my internship was probably meeting a lot of new what do I say, creative people, a lot of new people who are supportive to each other, even if we have not met each other face to face, even if we have not known each other face to face. We did not even do any video call or meeting like that, but through WhatsApp we have, like, I have met a lot of new people. So Diksha, Kalyani, Sriya, Palak, and Huzema. Oh my god, these people are mind bending, and I think I have learned a lot from them. Also, obviously, not to forget Ma'am Ashia and Ma'am Krati. They have been so good, so good, and I think From them I have learned a lot, like literally legit. Matlab, I could feel like a family when I talk to them. And if I was in stress, I could talk to Ma'am Ashi and Krati ma'am about it, and they were very friendly all the time. It's not like it for a minute also I did not feel like I'm working in a brand or in a company, and hence I have to be very professional or very formal with them, because they were always friendly to me. So it was wonderful, it was literally wonderful, and I enjoyed here the company here. So what I was saying is, I have met a lot of beautiful people. The company here is very good, all the people are very talented. Even if I'm not very good in marketing, I have seen a lot of people putting all their creativity in one particular project and making it a very enhanceful. And I don't have any specific word to describe how I feel about it, but it has been an incredible journey throughout this 1 month, and I'm so thankful that I have joined it. And yes, I would definitely recommend this internship to every newbie here, because I think I have been treated not as a newcomer. And in fact, I was in the very first day told that even if you like don't know anything, we will teach you, we will mold you. So that was the very best part of this internship. And I think anyone who is new to this platform, anyone who has not done any internship in their entire life like me, I think this is a very good platform for you to start with, because they are gonna guide you to their best. And they, even if you're molded already, they will even give you a perfect polish and shape. So even if I'm not that perfect yet, but I think throughout this entire month I have learned a lot of things. I used to think that I'm very good in blogging and all, like, because I was the only judge of myself, right? And nobody used to judge me. I used to write my own, I used to publish it in my own website. But then gradually when I worked for them, there are people who will judge you, there are people I'm writing for, so they are going to judge you. And then I got to know a lot of things about the first person, third person, whatnot, new words, and how to write a review and everything. So I think if you're a newcomer, or if you want to do an internship along with Damn Boss, I think you are in the right platform. Yeah, that is it. And thank you so much, Damn Boss and Ashi ma'am and Krati ma'am, for giving me this amazing opportunity. I never thought I could cope up for like a single day, and I was so demotivated in amidst all those things that I was going through. And I talked to you, and you people were so kind, so good, that you people supported me a lot. And I'm so grateful to be a part of this beautiful company and brand. And I'm so glad that I have been working for you for like 1 month, and it doesn't even seem like 1 month now. It's like it just went like this. And I just loved working for Damn Boss. Like it has been an incredible experience for me to be working for you people, and I think I'm loving it here. All the people, all the support, and how friendly you people are, how friendly you have treated to me, and it means a lot to me. It really means a lot to me. So yeah, for all the newbies, if you're joining Damn Boss, you are in the right path. That is what I would say. Okay, thank you.